This TIBORANG 8-in-1 frying pans is like having a kitchen helper that does many jobs. It's an 11-inch pan, so it has enough space for your food. You also get a lid. The lid helps keep the heat in. Plus, there is a steamer. You can cook vegetables or fish with it. This TIBORANG 8-in-1 frying pans wants to make cooking easier for you. It's an all-in-one pan. You can use it on all kinds of stoves. It works like woks and stir-fry pans too. The non-stick surface is great. Food won't stick, and cleaning is easy. This TIBORANG 8-in-1 frying pans is also a saute pan. You can use it to cook many different meals. It's PFAS-free and PFOA-free. This means it's made without certain chemicals. That's good for your health. The tangerine color is bright and fun. It can add a pop of color to your kitchen. Imagine cooking yummy portions with this pan. You can trust it to heat evenly. It might even help you try new recipes from your favorite books. While it doesn't come with a spatula or an app, its many uses make up for it. For easy storage, this pan is a good size. It won't take up too much space. Think of it as a reliable friend in your kitchen, not just one of your toys. While you might not take it on a trip to Mexico, it will be useful every day. Ratings from other users might give you more insight. They can share their experiences with this TIBORANG 8-in-1 frying pans. If you need to boil water quickly, it can do that too. It's a versatile pan that tries to be helpful for many cooking tasks. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: with lid, steamer, all stoves, woks and stir-fry, saute pan, PFAS-free, PFOA-free, easy to wash, durable, multi-use. Cons: non-stick may degrade. Size might be large, color may not suit, durability is unknown. Steamer use limited, lid may not fit well, handle could get hot, cleaning could be hard, price might be high, not truly 8-in-1 features. 8-in-1 design, non-stick surface 11-inch size, includes a lid, comes with a steamer, all stove types, wok and stir-fry, saute pan use, PFAS-free, PFOA-free. This 11-inch tangerine TIBORANG frying pan does 8 different cooking jobs in one. It has a non-stick surface, a lid, and even a steamer for cooking healthy foods. You can use it on any kind of stove to stir-fry, saute, or use it like a wok. Plus, it's made without harmful chemicals called PFAS and PFOA. So it's a safer choice for your kitchen. This tangerine-colored TIBORANG 8-in-1 pan is a non-stick 11-inch skillet that comes with a lid and a steamer. It can be used on all kinds of stoves and works as a wok, stir-fry pan, and saute pan. The pan is made without harmful chemicals called PFAS and PFOA. And it's supposed to be easy to wash and long-lasting. However, the non-stick coating might wear out over time. Also, it could be big. The color might not be for everyone. And how long it lasts is not known. The steamer might not be useful for everything. The lid might not fit perfectly. The handle could get hot. And it might be hard to clean sometimes. It might also cost more money. And it might not really do 8 different things as advertised.